Statistics on DUIs and DWIs, the human cost of drunk and impaired driving, Part 2. People who live near or on the road are particularly exposed to drunk or drug driving accidents and frequently sustain catastrophic injuries or lose their lives as a result. For illustration, long hours are spent working on the road or close to it by construction workers. To protect them against drunk drivers, high-visibility jackets, barriers, and warning signs are frequently ineffectual. In order to guide traffic, traffic control staff and crossing guards must stand in the middle of the road. Emergency medical care is frequently provided by paramedics to accident victims on or near the road. Keep in mind that driving while intoxicated increases your risk of colliding with pedestrians and construction workers, since you will be less aware of your surroundings and may not spot them until it is too late. Your reaction time will also be significantly slower. Even if you see a pedestrian up ahead, you might not be able to slow down the car quickly enough to prevent running into them. Groups at risk: young individuals, motorcyclists, and drivers with prior DUI or DWI convictions are the most likely to die in alcohol-impaired road accidents, according to the Center for Disease Control, CDC. Children under the age of 14 are commonly hurt by drunk drivers. 220 kids lost their lives in drunk driving accidents in 2017. Due to their propensity to operate a vehicle while inebriated, those between the ages of 21 and 24 are among the most likely to die in a drunk driving accident. Statistical data suggests that men are twice as likely to get behind the wheel while intoxicated than women, making them far more likely to die in an alcohol-impaired crash. The expense of drug driving. Drug driving's exact effects are not yet fully known. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, fewer than 50% of drivers involved in fatal accidents have their drug use checked. Around 30% of those who are tested had drugs in their system, which equates to 6,000 drivers annually. However, the true number of drug-impaired drivers engaged in fatal accidents is probably far higher than this because many drivers receive no drug testing at all. Many drugs, both legal and illicit, only appear in blood tests. Due to the sheer number of substances, it is impossible to test for everyone that might be a sedative or euphoric in every situation. Drug-impaired drivers are involved in 2/3 of fatal crashes in which there are deaths. Comparing driving while intoxicated with alcohol alone to driving while intoxicated with narcotics appears to significantly increase your risk of death. Approximately 4,000 drivers who have drugs in their systems are killed in crashes every year. This is probably due to the severity of drug-impaired crashes, which commonly entail high speeds, total loss of control, and off-road collisions.